This is a new brand for me. I'm walking by this Charming since 2003. And, whoa, that's bright. That's one of their lights just blinded me there. So they obviously do lighting, and I think they put up this LED panel just to show off the fact that they do lighting. So these are all of the lights that they manufacture. That would be my guess. Okay, so that's the thing. I'm showing off the digital signage here because that's one aspect of LDI. But it's a lot more than that because this is light and display. So they're doing everything from smoke machines through to light and display panels like these, lighting, everything to do with setting up a stage. Now you understand why this is so cool, right?
Yes.
To have the opportunity to come to LDI. So I would invite the two of you to get through your US visa because you need to be in the trade show booth next year. Agreed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I've had enough of walking around here and looking at stuff for a little while. I would say let's leave off on one last one here I see. Okay, try a LED. Let's see if they've got something new. They got a portrait one here. Okay. Got some LED panels, LED over there. Oh, they got some transparent. Let's go check out the transparent. Yeah, now that you know what you're looking at, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to see there's a lot of crossover, right? There's a lot of LED manufacturers that very much, they look similar. Understood?
Yep.
So it is really hard to decide who to go with. Just don't know. That's really where we come in as an expertise for our clients because we have some idea, who are the good brands, who are the not so good brands, who provides good support, who doesn't. Now, here's some ideas for you. Put LED on the top, put it down the sides,
Yeah.
put a fishbowl in the middle of it.
Cool.
Okay. Now there's a curved one in behind that makes it really quite a wow effect. Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. But now that you know what you're looking at, this is not complicated stuff. It might seem complicated, but it's just kind of knowing how to do the visual effects.
Hmm?
Okay. This is all stuff that you guys can do. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, apparently they have a bar here, so I'm going to go have a drink. Haha. Maybe if I get drunk enough to let me on stage, you'll be able to see what this looks like live. Wow. Okay, that'll be our next video.